Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Search Hack. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to search for latest articles on Google. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here, open up my Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to make a new tab. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for the best graphics design laptop. So what we want to do is to click on here and type in the best graphics design laptop. Then we hit on search. Then in a few seconds, we have similar results right here. Now, some of the results right here can be old old articles right here. It might not be useful for us because what we are looking for is the latest article. How do we refine old article from the latest article in Google in order to get what exactly you are looking for? Most especially if you are looking for latest information. For you to do that, simply swipe this way, continue to swipe this way, and make sure you go to Search Tools. Have a click on Search Tools, it takes you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on Anytime right here. Then here, you can decide to check on article that is posted 24 hours ago across the web on Google. So I'm going to simply click on past 24 hours. Then you'll be able to see only the 24 hours result on Google. You can scroll down right here. You can see this one here is a video about top 5 laptop for designer in 2025, which is about 23 hours ago. This one here also is about 23 hours ago. You can scroll down and check on more articles as the case may be. The more you scroll down, the more you see more articles about the particular keyword you are looking for. This is another one right here, 1 hour ago, and another one next to it. Then you scroll down right here and see another one right here, 7 hours ago. Then you can also come to the top right here and refine your result. Click on all results right here. So you can decide to check on verbatim. So when you check on verbatim, it simply means that you only get articles, not videos, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see articles about top best graphic design laptop. So this one right here also, you can check them out. So you can see, and here, come back here and switch back to 24 hours pass. Then come back here and switch to verbatim. Then you get everything right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply check on the latest articles on Google Search. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Google Search like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.